tool you'd ever need. That's what Grandpa said. He was always close by. Lived right down the road. He'd rattle in, pop the lid when anything was broke. One time when I was just a kid, I gave him the wrong thing. He said, "That's for another job." And he went. Just because it's in a toolbox don't mean you gotta use it. But if you get it out, put it back, 'cause you don't wanna lose. Man, just go to the grindstone, put your elbow into it. Wonder where you're at. Just remember that you got the tools, and you can do it. Beside me as I wore my cap and gown, I was full of pride, half scared to death of this freedom I found. Do I go to school? Do I chase my dreams? Do I get a 9 to 5? Grandpa tossed me his keys, said, "Let's take a drive." Take your time when you decide what you want to do. Just know I'm in your corner, and I'm so proud of you. Don't